What's up, everybody? Hope you had an awesome day. Market up or down? Market is down. So if you missed yesterday's video, go back and check it out. What did I say? Right back to the 9. So keep in mind, also as a side note, that nobody knows what's going to happen in the markets, but we do know, as we study the markets, what should happen. And when what should happen doesn't happen, we know it's going to be a big move in the other way. So it's information that feeds in, just an awareness. It's not anything we base our trading around. But if you were wondering yesterday why I didn't max out and buy both positions, this is why. The RSI was pointing down. It was looking like a turnaround. And I'm super stoked now because now we got to put the money in, right? At 1.5% lower. And we bought Lidos, so it's down to 2.3% cheaper. So really good. I get excited when the market goes down. If you don't yet, then you probably don't have your money right. Anybody that's got just a little bit of money, they're happy when stock prices and asset prices go down. They're happy when real estate gets cheap because they are net buyers of assets, right? So every day I buy assets, so if I can get them for cheaper, I'm a happy camper. But with all that out of the way, I just wanted to touch base on yesterday's video just to show you. Let's go back into our routine. So the market is down, so we're looking to buy, right? What are we trying to buy? Well, we have this LDOS. So the first thing we're going to do is look there. Is the RSI under 30? And I'm not trying to build suspense. The computer really is that slow. Yeah, the RSI is at 22.71. You can see it right here. It's this purple deal. And it looks perfect to me. When you see a volume spike like this, that's a good sign. That's a real good sign. It doesn't mean it's going to turn around and go straight back up, but it surely could. So we'll check it out. We're going to go ahead and buy this sucker and average down. You can see here's the last place down here. So we're close to that. And just keep in mind, I like to buy stuff when it goes down. So I'm trying to get multiple shares. So I'm okay if it doesn't sell right away. 95.54. Let's do it. Also, for a little perspective while I'm doing all this clicking around and stuff, keep in mind that this is not meant to be something that y'all copy from. But the whole point of me doing this and going through all the effort every day is to show you folks how to build data. So if you don't have a spreadsheet, you're just wasting everybody's time. So get stepping, because you ain't never going to make it. But after you get hundreds of these, your conviction is going to be super high. You'll have confidence to hold when things get tough. And that's what I'm showing you folks from ground zero, how I did it. Hopefully it can help you formulate your own plan, make your own decisions. But that's really the key. And ask yourself this. We got about 50 trades in. How many of them have we lost? Just think about that. Just think about that. We got all of our day trades back. That's cool. First triggers the second. Apparently we're gonna sell it first. No, we're not. How do we delete this? There you go. Let's try this again for us super smart people. Oh. Proof you don't have to be smart to make money in the markets. There you go. We're going to buy one share, right? And we're going to try to sell two. 95.54 is right here on the last, and it's here on the closing print. So that's what the one we're going to go for. So no matter what time you went and put your order in, it's apples to apples. That is the closing price. Limit order, good till cancel with the extended, limit order with the extended. So now we need to figure out what's our sell price going to be, right? You add them up, divide by 2, that'll be your average. The average also shows down here if you have a spreadsheet. Now keep in mind, you don't have to go out and buy a computer. I mean, just use notebook paper. They're like 50 cents during school time. I have tons of them. I stock up during school. But let's figure up our price here. So pause the video if you need to. This one should be an easy one, right? We're trying to make 96 cents or 1%. So this times 1.01, which should be $1 minus 4, right? So it should be 97.65. That's what we're going for. And if that seemed a little confusing or whatever, that's just me. But if you take that average and you plug it in a calculator times 1.01, hopefully you get the same thing. 97.65. What did we buy it at? Look at that. So now, after we averaged, our sell price is under the price where we bought it. And this has happened multiple times, but I'm going to take a little extra time today just to reinforce the fact that the stock does not have to go up. Okay? We are trying to sell it now for less than we bought it, and we are going to make a profit, right? That's something that's kind of hard to really grasp because of the conditioning of the society that stocks have to go up. If this stock market does have the lost decade, this strategy will way outperform. And remember, every one of these trades we do feeds into our investments, and that's the passive income. So it all works together. And if you're just now getting started, I know I'll probably have some new viewers coming in soon. Go back to the first video. Start the playlist. You're not here yet, but you can still learn from here, but go back to the beginning. So that's what we got going on here. Let's send it. No fill. Didn't fill last time either, but that's okay. All right, so we have $221 and a nickel. So now what do we do? We've only got one position. We bought it. We're not just going to keep buying it today. Let's see what's on the market, right? What's for sale? Is there anything that we just cannot live without? We have 3-day trades, right? We're not going to unnecessarily buy things, but if there's opportunity, we're not just going to be lazy and say, oh, well, I bought my thing and see you tomorrow. That's why folks that I run into that ask me about stocks and things, they're from the working class. They are prime candidates to get incredible amounts of income from the market because they have work ethic. They understand things don't come super easy. Easy come, easy go, right? All right. Holy smokes, there's General Mills. That one's on my list. United Health isn't that great, but it's out of our price range. It's $470. We only got 200, so Lockheed's out too. It's 441. But let's take a peek in here at General Mills. That's on my list. It's on my universe of stocks. So if you don't have a universe, just go around your house. But then go to my video, how I choose my universe, and it'll show you what websites I use to do a little bit deeper dive. So this one's a decent dividend yield, nothing crazy. Low debt, which we like. The PEs are okay. They're nothing crazy. It's not like a super discount on sale. So if you look at the chart, where do you think we're going? The 200, right? Probably going down here. But we also have this little gap. I like that. This is a good, solid company. I would pay a higher PE for something in my universe versus just a random stock. So let's take this one. 78.41. Now, if it was over an 18, we'd just be saying, no, too high. See you later. You don't have to swing at every pitch, right? You can wait until you see something you like. GIS 7841. First triggers a second. 7841. So what's that going to make our sell price? Y'all can start figuring that up. Limit. Good till cancel with the extended. We are going to try to buy 1 share and sell 1 share. Okay. So what's our sell price going to be? Pause the video if you need to. I just do most of these in my head. Alright, so this one might take me a little bit. 79. We know the last number is a 5er. And what's this one going to be? 11? I think you're right. This is going to be a 9er. 9er, 49er. Is that what y'all got? That's what I got. 78 cents is what we're trying to pull out of this thing. 1%, you can take 78.41 times 1.01. That'll get you your answer. Good till cancel with the extended. Send it. There we go. Bought 78.40. So we got a 1 penny cheaper. Now that's a bargain. It's not a super high on my list stock, but it's one that's in my universe, so it gets priority. Okay, so we've got 2 in. We have $142 left. And if we had to buy both of these again, it would be like $170 and some change. So we couldn't buy both of these again tomorrow. We just wouldn't have enough money. Let's see what else we got. There's a bank at a 9 PE for $15. I think that's our winner. All the rest of these RPM we've checked out in previous, right? But we'll take a look at it just so you can see. Nah, say PE's just nah. Had this been General Mills, it would have been borderline, but still probably no thanks. So that's a no-go. This one was the same thing, I think. Yeah, this one's not crazy. I mean, but no. You know, you have to have some guidelines. You can't just go for everything. Now, this one we don't know yet, but we've checked all the other ones, so everything just fell off today. Nice low PEs, but it's a smaller bank, so it's going to sell cheaper than like JP Morgan or Bank of America. I like the dividend. No debt. Earnings green across the board and black. Boom, it looks like a perfect winner. FULT. 15.24. Another reason why I like this play is that with our strategy of adding $10 per week, every couple 3 weeks we'll be able to take a few shares, right? So every week and a half, every 2 weeks we'll be able to buy some. And that's important because if you've been through the journey since the beginning, there are periods of time where there's not much going on. Oh, what did I do? I just totally... Alright, first trigger's a second. We're going to get in here at 15.24, hopefully, or cheaper. And what's our sell price going to be? Remember, we're only going to do 1 share. Limit, good till cancel with the extended hours. What's our sell price going to be? Pause the video if you need to. 15, we know that. What, 39? Alright. Long day in the office. That's what we got going for us. Ship it. So now we got 127 bucks left. We're obviously done. Nothing else is on the screener. But here are the prices here. So we could easily buy one more of these and an FULT, and that'd be about 120 bucks. So, do we want the market to go down again tomorrow? It doesn't matter. We're good either way. Eldos, GIS, and FULT. Alright. Now I got them on the list here. See, these dividends, what we're looking at. So it looks like they just paid. But if we hold this sucker for 3 months, we'll get cash flow. So we don't care if they sell or not. We are good either way. So I hope this helps you out. It's nice that we have a little bit of repetition. We can get some money actually moving. Repetition is the mother of skill. So the more you do something, better you get. Yeah. Hopefully we start flipping some stuff. So we got 300 in basically. So it could be another $3, profits. And that starts adding in here. We're going to 40. Goal to 40. So I hope this is helpful. I hope y'all are making some cash in the markets. Turn the news off. Just stick to the plan. Write it on a piece of paper. So hopefully you guys are doing well. Hang in there. Stay consistent. We'll catch you tomorrow.